Okay, we're up here in Desert Mountain up in Cave Creek, Arizona. We just did an exterior roller shade, a Graver exterior roller shade. In this patio right here, we've got our barbecue and our smoker and stuff right here. So the shade, basically we have where it'll run from this side and it just rolls down. This is directly west facing out here, so this is going to make this patio way more usable. And then that just blocks that off like that. And as you come around to the other side, you'll be able to see that there's a lot that you can still see, have a view out here while this is blocking the sun. So just a really nice application. And then from in here, when we pull it back up, it just goes away.